Good morning, students. Welcome back to Grammar Learning. We have completed chapter 3 in last lectures. Now, I will start chapter number 4, determiners, today. What is a determiner? Determiner means which decides. The person who decides the word which decides. That is called determiner. And determiners also qualify the nouns that follow. They are adjectives also, determiners. They point out the noun, for example, my uncle, the best students, every house, that book, some files. These words are given in which my, the, every, that, some, these are the determiners because they are qualifying the nouns. Now, there are different kinds of determiners. The first one is demonstratives. We all know that what is the meaning of demonstrate? To show. So demonstratives are this, that, these, those. These are demonstratives. This is used before singular nouns and these before plural nouns, that we all know. This is singular form and these is the plural form. Clear? See the examples. This book is the best book on mathematics. This is. Okay. These dresses belong to, not belongs. These dresses, because it is plural, belong is used. If it is singular, then we will use belongs. But here it is plural, so belong. This and these refer to persons or articles which are near, that we all know. This hai ya these hai, they are used for the persons or articles which are near to us. That and those refer to the persons or objects which are at a distance. And we all know that is singular and those is plural. That house belongs to a famous businessman of Mumbai, and those houses are owned by a corporate house. Okay, those are, that belongs. Clear how to write? Then second one is possessives. In determiners we use possessives: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are possessives. Then distributives, that we have seen in previous chapter also. Pronouns में distributives देखे थे. Same distributives are here. Either, neither, each, every. These are distributives. Either, neither, each, every. Okay. Then quantifiers. ये आपके लिए नया है. Quantifiers में हम लोग quantity देखेंगे. It can be a number also. If they are used with countable nouns, they are number and they show number, and when they are used with uncountable nouns, they show the quantity, and that's why it is called quantifiers. And which are the quantifiers? Some, any, much, many, several, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, both, all, a lot of, lots of, a large number of, a great deal of, a good deal of. Okay, these are quantifiers. Clear? Then interrogative, also we have seen what, which, whose. Articles a and the. Determiners and articles, ये चैप्टर आपको 9th में भी है. But articles, this chapter is taken under the title determiners. So we will study all these 6 types of determiners. See the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these and those. Okay, this, that, these and those से fill in the blanks है वो complete करनी है. Look at the picture first. You can see a bookshop. You can see a bookshop where some books are on the shelf. and two children, they are standing near the counter with a man, and the shopkeeper is from the other side, on the other side of the counter. Okay, look at this picture and then try to write the correct answer. Exercise 1, bookshop. Rani says, Raman, look, have you noticed dash new books on computers? Now, the children are at a distance from the books. So, here we will write those. Okay? Those. So, the first answer is those. Raman says, oh yes, I have not seen these books before. Now, why here this is used? Because it is already talked about in first sentence and Raman is replying in context of first sentence. Okay? जिस बुक के बारे में रानी बात कर रही है उन्हीं बुक के बारे में रमन बात कर रहा है. दैट्स वाई हियर दीज. रानी, आई वॉन्ट दैट वन विथ अ रेड कवर एंड दिस बुक राइट हियर. ओके, वो वाली बुक है जो रेड कवर में है, वो मुझे यहाँ पर दिस बुक राइट हियर. ओके, यहाँ पर चाहिए. रमन, लुक रानी एट दिस वन. देखो ये वाली देखो, यानी कि ये बच्चे जो पास में हैं जिस बुक के, उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ रिटन बाय माई टीचर, देर मस्ट बी मोर रिटन बाय हिम, दे मस्ट बी ऑन दैट काउंटर. उस काउंटर पर होनी चाहिए. आई विल गो एंड लुक, जाकर मैं देखता हूँ, मतलब कि वो दूर है. दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज दैट. रानी, आई वॉन्ट टू बाय दोज बुक्स ऑन पेंटिंग्स ऑल्सो, आई लव लुकिंग एट दैम. Okay, here those. Raman, okay, now let us pay for all the books we have bought. Rani says, that is a good idea. That's a good idea. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. We have spent a lot of money. I'm sure we will enjoy reading these books. Now the books are with them and they are near to them. That's why these is used. Clear? This exercise must be done in textbook only. Clear? Then exercise 2, fill in the blanks with possessives. You all know that how to write the possessives. Which possessives you have to use? My, our, your, his, her, its, their. According to the subject you will use these possessives. The first one is, I was astonished at dash reaction to the good advice given to him. Okay, so him is given and here we have to write for him. So what is the possessive? Reaction किसका था? Him का था. We cannot write him because him is not possessive. We will write his reaction. Okay, his reaction. Second one, dash performance in the examination was much above expectation. Dash performance in the examination was much above expectation. Her. यहाँ पर आप योर भी लिख सकते हो, माई भी लिख सकते हो, ओके, हीज भी लिख सकते हो, बट बाकी सब में हैं तो हम लोग यहाँ पर हर लिखेंगे. वी विल राइट हर ईयर. ओके. 3 number, we have been let down very badly by dash cricket team in the first match against Sri Lanka. We है तो we का हम लोग लिखेंगे are. We have been let down very badly by our cricket team in the first match against Sri Lanka. 4th number, they were asked to remove dash shoes before entering the building. They is used, so we will write there. THEIR. Students, what is the difference between THERE and THEIR? This there is introductory. Introductory means it is used to start the sentence. Sometimes it is used to start the sentence and showing the place also. The book is there. There is the place in that manner. And this there is used for showing possession. It is possessive. So be careful in writing the spelling of there. The pronunciation is same but the spelling and the meaning is different. So here what is the possessive for they? There. 5 number, hundreds of people came to pay dash homage to the departed leader. Hundreds of people, so here plural is given. What is the answer of plural? There. Hundreds of people came to pay their homage to the departed leader. 6 number, reading will help you to improve your vocabulary. Reading will help you to improve your vocabulary. Your. Okay. 7 number, I was dismayed at the non-arrival of dash suitcase at the airport. I, and what is the possessive for I? My. Okay. Next one, in a rag, hurry threw his pencil box on the floor. All dash contents fell in different directions. We are talking about pencil box, so here we will write its. Clear? One more thing I want to teach you, its, its and it apostrophe s, its. What is the difference between these two words? See, its shows the possession and it apostrophe s is the short form of it is. Okay, if you want to note down somewhere, note it down. It is important information. Students make mistake in these two words, that's why I have given you the difference here. Remember it well and don't do the mistake in your writing. Clear? Now let's start exercise 3. Complete the passage by filling the blanks with possessive. See, possessive is very easy topic. Okay, first one, the paragraph is given. The children enter their classroom and find their books and stationery thrown by some intruder everywhere. Complete their conversation. मतलब children, they enter the classroom and they saw their things here and there, lying here and there by some intruder. Now you have to complete the conversation. They are talking about the things scattered on the floor. Geeta, here is my math book. My. Vijay, it is yours. हाँ, वो तुम्हारी ही है. Has anyone found my pencil box? Rashid, here it is. I think this pen is also yours. हाँ, रशीद बोल रहे हैं, हाँ मुझे लगता है यही है. And I think this pen is also yours. ये पेन भी आपकी है, तुम्हारी है. Surbhi says, whose bags are this? Whose bags are these? They do not seem to belong to anyone in our class. हमारे क्लास में किसी का हो ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है. Geeta says, they belong to my cousins, comma, their names are written on them. Their names, cousins हैं, that's why their names. Okay. Vijay, thank God we have found most of dash things. विजय बोल रहा है थैंक गॉड हमें हमारी ज़्यादातर चीज़ें मिल गई हैं. वी मस्ट टाइडी द क्लासरूम क्विकली. हमें हमारा क्लासरूम फटाफट से टाइडी कर देना चाहिए. क्लियर? सो इन दिस वे possessives over. Now distributives. Distributives are each, every, either and neither. Each means one of two things and one of any number exceeding 2. ओके, ईच का मतलब क्या है कि दो चीज़ों में से कोई एक. इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ईच इंडिविजुअल थिंग आउट ऑफ 2. एंड वन ऑफ एनी नंबर एक्सीडिंग 2, यानी दो से ज़्यादा कोई भी नंबर है उसमें से कोई एक. एवरी इज़ यूज टू इन स्पीकिंग ऑफ सम नंबर एक्सीडिंग ऑफ 2. इट मीन्स एवरी हैं वो हम दो या दो से ज़्यादा जो नंबर है उसमें कुछ नंबर्स के बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. ईच ऑफ देम हैड अ गन इन हिज हैंड. यानी कि दोनों के पास उनके हाथ में गन थी. ईच ऑफ यू कैन गो टू द मार्केट. ओके, तुम दोनों जा सकते हो. एवरी मैन एक्सपेक्ट्स टू बी रिच एंड सक्सेसफुल. Here also we will use singular verb expects with every. एवरी कंट्री एक्सपेक्ट्स लॉयल्टी फ्रॉम इट्स पीपल, मीन्स ईच एंड एवरी बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, वही सेंस है, एंड इट इज़ सिंगुलर. वी विल यूज सिंगुलर विथ ईच एंड एवरी. ओके. ईदर हैज़ टू मीनिंग्स, वन ऑफ टू और ईच ऑफ टू, दैट इज़ बोथ. यानी कि ईच के दो मीनिंग हैं, दोनों में से कोई एक या दोनों, ईच ऑफ टू. ओके. नीदर इज़ द नेगेटिव ऑफ ईदर एंड मीन्स नीदर द वन नॉर द अदर, यानी दोनों में से एक भी नहीं. यू कैन लीव बाई ईदर डोर, इट मीन्स वन डोर और दी अदर, कोई भी डोर से तुम जा सकते हो. ट्रीज ग्रू ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ द रोड, इट मीन्स ट्रीज ग्रू ऑन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ रोड, बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द रोड. ओके, यानी कि एक भी होता है, दूसरा भी होता है, दोनों भी होता है. He looked at neither side of the road, means neither this side nor the other. Understood what is the difference between either and neither? Either shows affirmative and neither shows negative. Now, exercise 4, you have to write, fill in the blanks with each, every, either or neither. Here, how will you identify where you have to put every, where you have to each? Whenever it is given off, you will use each. जहाँ पर भी ऑफ दिया है वहाँ पर each यूज़ करोगे. ब्लैंक के बाद ऑफ दिया है, you will use each. The first one is dash of the 20 boys was fined. Here we will write each, each of the 20 boys. Next one is you can stand on dash dash side, either. कोई भी साइड पे तुम खड़े रह सकते हो. Okay. 3 number, dash soldier was at his post. So every, here off is not given, we will write every soldier was at his post. 4th number, dash seat in the auditorium was occupied. Every seat in the auditorium was occupied. Singular है, देखो every भी दिया है और singular है was. Okay. 5 number, dash of the girls was present. We will write each, each of the girls was present, यानी कि girls में हर एक girl present थी. 6 number, neither Rita nor her sister has to come to work today. Here nor is given, so it is clear we have to write neither, because the pair is neither nor and either or. Okay, so remember the pair. 8 number, dash of you will be given a uniform to wear in school on Sunday. Each of is given, so each. 9 number, 7 number is remaining. I think when we went to Mumbai, we visited the beach every day, हर रोज़ every day. Okay. 8 number, each of is given, that's why we will use each. 9 number, dash Indian is expected to do his duty. Every Indian is expected to do his duty. 10 number, dash building has been provided with 24 hours backup inverters in the case of power cut. So here we will write every. Clear? Distributives and possessives clear now? Now we will learn quantifiers. Again it is important. The first quantifier is much, many. Now much stands for quantity and many stands for number. It means for uncountable we will use much and for countable we will use many. Was there much milk left in the pot? Were there many people watching the movie? We haven't got many books. She doesn't have much money. So here you can see the difference between many and much. Clearly it shows much is for uncountable things and many for countable things. One note is given, words and expressions like the ones given in the box below may be used instead of many. यानी कि कुछ वर्ड्स है वो मैनी के बिना भी मे बी यूज इंस्टेड ऑफ मैनी के बिना भी यूज़ होते हैं. अ ग्रेट मैनी, अ गुड मैनी, अ ग्रेट नंबर ऑफ, प्लेंटी ऑफ, अ लॉट ऑफ, लॉट्स ऑफ. ओके. अ ग्रेट मैनी, मैनी की जगह पर यूज़ होता है. अ गुड मैनी भी हो सकता है. अ ग्रेट नंबर ऑफ, प्लेंटी ऑफ, अ लॉट ऑफ, लॉट्स ऑफ. ओके. ये सब सिनोनिम हैं मैनी के. वर्ड्स एंड एक्सप्रेशंस यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ मच आर. मच की जगह पर जो यूज़ होते हैं वो कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं? अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ, अ गुड डील ऑफ, अ लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ, plenty of, a lot of. Then you will say, ma'am, here is also a lot of, here also a lot of. How can we identify whether it is for many or much? It can be identified after the noun which is given after of. Okay. Then important thing is little, a little, the little. The word is same, little, but when we change the article a to the, or we skip the article, its meaning is changed. What is the meaning? Little means hardly any or not much. Little का मीनिंग है hardly any or not much, and it is negative meaning. याद रखना, जब कोई आर्टिकल नहीं लगा हुआ है that is negative meaning. There was little money in the house. There was little that she could not do to help the patient. ओके. तो ये नेगेटिव मीनिंग में है. तो उसके घर में कुछ भी नहीं था, कोई पैसे नहीं थे. ओके. तो लिटिल है वो नेगेटिव मीनिंग में हुआ ना. A little. A little means some at least, and it has affirmative meaning. कुछ है और उसका affirmative meaning होता है. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. There is a little milk left in the pot. कुछ तो है, कुछ milk है. The little means some. It can be used both positively and negatively. Depends. He wasted the little strength he had in being angry. The strength, it means he wasted the little strength he had in being angry. वो डिपेंड करता है आप कौन से मीनिंग में लेते हो. It means the strength he had was not much. ये नेगेटिव मीनिंग हुआ, यानी कि जो स्ट्रेंथ उसने दिखाई वो इनफ नहीं थी. एंड ही वेस्टेड ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ, पॉजिटिव हुआ ये. Then few, a few, the few. Same like little. Without article it has negative meaning. Few means not many and has a negative meaning. Without article it has negative meaning. He has few books left in his library. बहुत कम बुक्स रह गई हैं उसके पास. Okay. A few means some at least. A few है वो पॉजिटिव मीनिंग है, कुछ तो है ऐसा. आई हैव अ फ्यू बुक्स लेफ्ट इन माई लाइब्रेरी. मेरे पास लाइब्रेरी में कुछ बुक्स हैं, हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं. और जब हम ऐसा बोलेंगे कि आई हैव फ्यू बुक्स लेफ्ट इन हिज लाइब्रेरी, या आई हैव फ्यू बुक्स लेफ्ट इन माई लाइब्रेरी, ऐसे बोलेंगे तो उसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि हम सामने वाले को ये बता रहे हैं कि अब मेरे पास ज़्यादा बुक नहीं है. और आई हैव अ फ्यू बुक्स लेफ्ट इन माई लाइब्रेरी, इसका मीनिंग हम क्या बता रहे हैं कि अभी भी मेरे पास कुछ बुक्स तो हैं. क्लियर? द मीनिंग द फ्यू मीन्स नॉट मैनी. द फ्यू का मीनिंग होता है ज़्यादा नहीं. इट हैज़ बोथ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव मीनिंग्स. उसके दोनों पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव मीनिंग्स होते हैं. ही लॉस्ट द फ्यू फ्रेंड्स ही हैड. ओके. इट मीन्स ही लॉस्ट ऑल द फ्रेंड्स ही हैड. पॉजिटिव मीनिंग ये हुआ. और नेगेटिव क्या हुआ? द फ्रेंड्स ही हैड वर नॉट मैनी, ज़्यादा नहीं थे. पॉजिटिव मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि सारे फ्रेंड्स उसने खो दिए. और नेगेटिव मीनिंग हुआ कि उसके फ्रेंड्स ज़्यादा नहीं थे. ओके. देन लेस एंड फ्यूअर. लेस इज़ यूज्ड विथ रेफरेंस टू अ क्वांटिटी एंड फ्यूअर विथ नंबर. It means with uncountable we will use less and with countable we will use fewer. See the examples. The huge pumpkin weighed no less than 10 pounds. Here less is used for quantity. I cannot buy less than 10 kilograms of rice. Then see the example of fewer. See the example of fewer. No fewer than 2,000 people joined the strike. no fewer than 2000 people. Here people, they are countable, that's why we have used fewer. No fewer than 2000 people joined the strike, and no fewer than 10 civilians were hurt in the firing. Okay, so whenever the countable noun is given, we will use fewer, and uncountable we will use less. The next one is some, any. To express quantity, some is used in the affirmative sentences. Some है वो affirmative sentence में use होता है for quantity, and any is used for negative sense. They both are used for quantity. I have some milk. Milk is uncountable quantity, है ना. तो अफर्मेटिव में यूज़ हुआ है, मेरे पास थोड़ा मिल्क है बट आई डू नॉट हैव एनी शुगर, लेकिन बिल्कुल शुगर तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. ओके, एनी इज़ यूज फॉर नेगेटिव एंड फॉर क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो. क्वेश्चंस के लिए भी एनी यूज़ हो सकता है. शी बॉट सम शूज़ बट डिड नॉट बाय एनी ड्रेसेस. कुछ शूज़ तो खरीदे लेकिन एक भी ड्रेस नहीं खरीदा. ओके, तो सम इज़ इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस एंड एनी इन नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Then some is used in interrogative sentence when making polite request. हाँ, हम लोगों ने अभी बताया कि any है वो क्वेश्चन में या नेगेटिव में यूज़ होता है, some है अफर्मेटिव में यूज़ होता है. बट some can be used in making polite request in asking questions. Will you give me some sugar? क्या तुम कुछ शुगर मुझे दे सकते हो? Will you have some more tea? Okay. Then in conditional sentences, as if there are any changes in the market, please buy some. any है वो conditional sentences में भी यूज़ होता है. अगर मार्केट में कोई चेंज है, if there are any oranges in the market, please buy some. अगर मार्केट में कुछ ऑरेंजेस हैं तो प्लीज़ खरीद कर लेकर आना. some is also used in conditional sentences. if you see any oranges in the market, could you buy some for me? polite request हो गई ना. okay, then use of any interrogative and negative sentence. did you buy any stamps? have you any article on recent events? I didn't see any oranges in the market. okay, so understood how to use the words. now exercise 5, fill in the blanks with much or many. मच या मैनी से यूज़ करना है और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट करनी है. हाउ मच, बिकॉज योर शुगर इज़ अनकाउंटेबल, सो वी विल राइट मच. हाउ मच शुगर डू यू वांट इन योर टी? ओके. सेकेंड वन, हाउ डैश टाइम्स हैव यू बीन टू शिमला? टाइम्स है, काउंटेबल है, कितनी बार शिमला गए हो, तो मैनी. क्लियर? सेकेंड वन मैनी. Third one, we don't get dash rain here. Rain is uncountable, so we will write much. We don't get much rain here. Fourth number, he is facing dash problems. Problems countable, that's why we will write many. Okay. Next one, dash problems can be solved by sitting together discussing them. Problems again countable, we will write many. Dash time was wasted. यहाँ पर ये टाइम्स था और ये टाइम है, यहाँ पर हमने मैनी लिखा, यहाँ मच लिखेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज यर हम लोग समय की बात कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पर कितनी बार हुआ वो बात कर रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई यर वी विल कंसिडर टाइम एज अनकाउंटेबल. ओके, सो यर वी विल राइट मच. मच टाइम वॉज वेस्टेड इन ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक द लॉक एंड द थीफ एस्केप थ्रू द विंडो. 7 नंबर, ही कुड नॉट डू डैश फॉर हिज फैमिली. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाया, मच, as he was suffering from poor health. 8 number, in spite of his dash attempts, many attempts, attempts countable है, he could not improve his driving skills. 9 number, nothing much happened, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ before recess as many students were absent due to Asian flu. Students countable, that's why many, और कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, much. okay. 10 number, dash people have short tempers. Again countable, that's why we will use many. They start shouting over trivial things. Okay. In this way you will complete these exercises in textbook only, no need to write in notebook. So today no homework is there, you have to revise the notes which is given in the textbook. Okay, I hope you understood the topic and will do better in exam. We will meet in next lecture with the remaining exercises. Till then, bye.